Safari tab groups allow for a set of web pages to be saved together and accessed quickly. Tab groups will sync between all your devices, iOS and Mac. To see more on how to add and manage tab groups, take a look at our Safari tutorial. Currently, I have 4 tab groups, which we can see here in the sidebar. Click on the turn down triangle next to each to view the pages within the tab groups. If I click on the target page, we jump to that page within the shopping tab group. With macOS Monterey and iOS 16, we can now share tab groups. So I'm going to share this travel sites tab group. To do so, we can click on the ellipsis button here, or just right-click on the tab group and share tab group. I'm going to share this via messages with Drew. Over on his iPhone, that's going to come into messages as a link. Tap and he'll be able to open the tab group in Safari. Notice that as Drew opens different pages in the group, here on the Mac, I can see which page he's viewing. Drew can also see what page Warren is currently viewing as well. Remember that if you don't have a photo saved for a contact, only their initials will appear in this icon. Now let's add a page within this tab group on the Mac. That page gets added over on Drew's iPhone as well. You will even get a notification that Drew added a page. So any user the tab group is shared with can add and remove pages from it. So over on the iPhone, Drew could remove the Uncruise page, and its tab is going to disappear here on the Mac. Click on the Collaboration button up here and we can manage the shared tab group. From here we can share this with more people or remove access to the shared group. Down here we can share the tab group using a link. And finally we can stop sharing, which will make this a standard tab group again. In the Messages app, we'll be able to see the changes made to a shared tab group with the new collaboration features. We'll get alerts here, and we can then show or ignore each edit. So sharing a tab group can be a great way to collaborate by planning a trip, doing some research, or even just shop with a friend.